What the hell?
He's not dead yet!
What the hell is this?
Fucking proud.
This is fucking ridiculous. That guy's in pretty shit. Where the hell did that come from? We ate him.
Definitely.
Jonan, watch your side. I think that shot came from over near you.
Yeah, there's about 3 of them over here I've been trying to take out.
Copy. Fucking bird.
I got my bearing screwed up. I don't even know which way to look now.
They eat you and then you become one.
Well, Cage, don't get too far away from the rest of the line.
I'm sure the seagulls thing will stop being funny at some point.
Don't be crazy, it's always funny.
I've just sort of adjusted at this point. You know, it's sort of like being being the executioner from Harry Potter or something, only slightly less ominous.
You command the birds.
Are there bad guys in that bush, Dyslexic?
There may have been, but they're dead now.
Oh, okay. Could you maybe shoot me to spare me all these birds or something? Have you seen this shit? Turn around behind you, man. Look at this fucking... They're crawling all over me.
Oh God, where is he? I need to add
I'm coming back too. For the love of God, don't shoot me.
Alright, look, you fucking birds. You can buzz around me all you want, but don't block my goddamn aim. God damn it.
Wow, it's like there's a, you know, a whole larder full of carrion back here. Oh wait, never mind, there is.
Yeah, exactly. It's like being a corpse.
There you go.
Worst spectator mode ever.
Jesus, John, and it looks like you've seen better days.
Yeah, I got hosed over there. There's a couple over there.
Are you 3 the only ones left?
Fish got the right side. No, there's 4 of us left at least.
There's no entry, so like, there still might be some.
I wonder what it would look like
I mean, it might not be
if everybody was in butterfly mode.
There's at least 1 left.
Or
You're quiet.
I guess we can try another mission.
Shit, they're just picking us off at this
Okay.
point.
Just kill each other.
What?
The birds will protect you, Sixes.
Someone throw a grenade.
The birds will not allow me to be injured.
Someone throw a grenade.
Bird armor form.
Yeah.
We should just grab one of this. We should just grab one of the Sixes with our claws and fly them away.
Well, that would be cool.
Operation Bird Lift.
All right,
Bird armor.
bird armor for the win.
Someone try shooting 6 now.
You're gonna hit me.
No, they're gonna hit the birds. They're bulletproof.
Man.
Oh fuck!
Shoot.
All right, I'm making.
Wait, who did the birds?
I'm ready. Somebody do it. Just
Shoot
do
him. Shoot him.
it. Through the birds, not around it. Jonan, I see what you're doing.
Shoot.
This is good.
Jonan, shoot.
We've got good training. We're all reluctant to shoot officers.
Come on. Come on, shoot it.
My God, bird
You
armor
know.
worked.
The bird armor works.
Oh fuck, my arm!
Attack, birds, attack!
I told you to throw a grenade.
Whoa! That was a dirty blow.
Oh no, the spree was ended by a
everybody,
horrible burst of
eating
240
time.
fire.
Uh-oh.
Looks like the true winner this round was the birds, I see. Get a lot of food.
Oh,
Yeah,
no,
birds
dude.
won.
Somebody got to